God take the pain away. Since you been gone, all my life nothing but rainy days. I'm trying to make it on my own, I'm trapped in the maze. I had to get it how I live, I'm trying to get paid. These niggas bitch made. Why niggas switch plays, they prey on your downfall. I was in the mud for the money, nigga, like groundhog. Pop out on the block, niggas fake, can't be around. I'm at the bar sending shots to these niggas like it was last call. I'm from the streets, yeah, you fucking with a real nigga. Fiend OD off that dope, this shit is real, nigga. I'm on the mission to the money. I'm in the field with the drillers that'll kill you off a pill, nigga. My family turned their back on me, that's the real nigga. So I don't call, I don't feel niggas. Look, remember this shit like it was yesterday. I should wear a vest today. Niggas plotting trying to kill me. Gotta find a better way to make it out the trap. You see me getting back, niggas praying on my deathbed. And it's a whole fact, I bang out like a desert eagle. I came from the bottom, nigga, I don't fuck with people. They using smoke trying to kill us, man, this shit illegal. You too deep in the matrix, you don't see the evils.